You're up, Mr. Skilling.
Good morning. My name is Kenneth Skilling. I've been a resident of Fairfax County for more than 30 years. I'd like to make some general comments about domestic relations law in Virginia and then make specific recommendations about some bills pending in the current session. I have a prepared statement, copies of which I've made available, but I'll summarize the statement for purposes of this brief presentation. I think just in reaction to what has been said before, I should say that I think that these domestic relations issues generate a great deal of passion, but I think the best approach to them is to try and look at them in a rather low-key way and understand what can be done. I don't say that everything can be solved by legislative action, but I think there are things that could be done. My general points are as following. Most people are aware of the serious social pathologies associated with fatherless families, including childhood poverty, violent crime among young people, and falling educational standards. However, far from seeking to reduce the proportion of fatherless families, a structure of incentives has been established for the creation of such families. For the most part, this has not been done deliberately. It's just been done inadvertently. Nevertheless, in my view, there should be a switch away from picking up the pieces after family breakups. The focus should be on preserving and strengthening two-parent families. One important element in all of this is the continued glass ceiling on paternal custody. The last solid information that I have available about this was some years ago from the Joint Legislative and Audit Commission, which found that only 4% of custodial parents were male. There's another peculiar feature that I'd like to, this is part of my general presentation, that I'd like to call attention to, and that is that changes in divorce laws are applied retroactively to existing marriages in Virginia, regardless of where those marriages took place or where they took place. This undermines marriage by making it impossible for those getting married to know the terms of their marriage contract. In effect, it means that there is no contract or settled marriage partnership at all. On specific bills in the current session, I would urge members of the county delegation to support a bill to enact a presumption of joint physical and legal custody. This would get away from the present glass ceiling on paternal custody and could do other valuable things, including ensuring compliance with child support provisions. I would urge members to oppose Senate Bill 760, which would make more stringent rules about recovering a driver's license withdrawn because of non-payment of child support. I would ask members to support House Bill 1563, which would slightly relax the rules for custodial fathers.
Thank you, Mr. Skilling.